Welcome to Sing Along Surprise Eggs! Are you ready to sing, learn, and discover surprises? Let's open the magic eggs together! Say with me, open! Open! Open!
Wow! Look at this blue egg!
Let's tap it 3 times! Ready?
Tap, tap, tap! Wow! It's a star!
Let's sing together!
Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Up above the world so high, like a diamond in the sky.
Great singing! Clap for yourself!
Yeah, yeah, yeah!
It's a bus! Let's sing!
The wheels on the bus go round and round, round and round, round and round. The wheels on the bus go round and round, all through the town. Can you move your hands like wheels? Round and round!
It's a call! Let's sing!
Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on his farm he had a cow, E-I-E-I-O.
With a moo moo here and a moo moo there. Phone! Can you say moo moo? Great job!
Busy wheels go round and round, round and round, round and round. Busy wheels go round and round, driving through the town. Wow!
So many surprises!
You sang so beautifully!
Shoots! Which surprise egg was your favorite?
Star!
Bus a twist
Cow! Oh, there!
or car?
Okay!
Tell me in the comments!
Don't forget to clap! You, new.
See you next time!
Bye-bye!